Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to Financial Survival, sponsored by Discount Gold and Silver Trading. And I'm Melody Cedarstrom. And thank you for joining us this afternoon, this fine Monday afternoon of October 26, 2009. And again, thank you for joining us this afternoon. And our telephone number is 1-800-375-4188. That's 1-800-375-4188. There we go. And our website is Discount Gold and Silver Trading. I'm waiting for the .net. Discount Gold and Silver Trading. Discount Gold and Silver Trading.
.net.
All right. And hey, I got lots of questions that came in today.
They just flowed in. I just got 5 of them.
I got a boatload of them.
Oh, listen to this one.
Well, we're not there.
The Golden Diva and the Golden Mac Daddy. Wow.
Mac Daddy?
Yeah, Mac Daddy.
What's Mac Daddy?
How do I know? I didn't write it. Call Bert and he'll tell you.
I still like mint steak. I like that.
Oh, mint steak. The purity of it all.
Yeah. Anyway, where was I? Oh, for questions. Just because we have a lot of them doesn't mean that you can't keep sending them. And, we'll get to them sooner or later. Discount Gold and Silver at yahoo.com. And if you have any questions regarding your gold and silver coin and investments, of course, use the same email address, Discount Gold and Silver at yahoo.com. And I was gone for most part of the morning, and it's been a hectic afternoon, and I see that gold is down $16.20 at $1,039.60. And I can imagine CNBC and all those other mainstream news programs saying, is this the end for gold? We have silver down 56 pennies at $17.14. And we have platinum down $25 at $13.39. And we have palladium down $4 at $335. So pretty much like everything is red on the board except for the U.S. dollar. They were able to bring that back temporarily anyway. But a big day in the dollar. And, of course, that little voice in the background was Robert Chapman of the International Forecaster. Hi, Bob.
Hi, Melody. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. It's turning out to be a great Monday.
Well, what was the USDX the last time you saw it?
76.05.
What's up, 25?
Up 60.
Yeah, it's a full court press that they're putting on here. I'll tell you why. Number one, the gold options expire tomorrow, and like every month, the commercials on the COMEX, which are J.P. Morgan Chase and Goldman and Hong Kong Shanghai Bank, etc., they write the options, and they have to screw the people out of their gains by deliberately, every month, like clockwork, rigging the market. And, of course, the CFTC is nowhere to be found. I mean, they're hiding under a rock someplace. And, of course, they've had an investigation going on now for a year, and they still can't find anything wrong with the concentration in those markets. 66% in the case of, 63% in the case of gold, two specialists, two commercials, and 3 commercials in silver. I think the figure's like 83% or 89% of all the shorts. And so, they're rigging the game. But the fortunate part about it nowadays is that they only can do it for a couple of days and it's over. And they've been pounding on gold and silver for 2 weeks. And they essentially haven't been able to get it down until today. And it was very important because in the gold option market, Morgan and Goldman, HSBC, are acting on behalf of the United States government. That's why. And so we have to suffer through this. And another reason that everything is down, gold, silver, commodities, is that the United States government is doing a $182 billion financing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, with some dribbles on Thursday. So you can expect that the market will probably be off tomorrow in gold and silver. Silver's just following gold. It's not an impetus to it. It's just a hanger-on at this particular moment. And we will probably see tomorrow maybe off $3 or $4 or $5 early, and then once the options close, it'll turn back up again, and then take off from there again. And I can assure you, the Chinese are just sitting in there waiting for to do this. And the minute they get through tomorrow, they'll be in there like gangbusters, buying like mad. There's no better way to get rid of dollars. And so we have a Chinese put. And just like the stock market when Sir Alan Greenspan, the idiot, when he gave the Greenspan put to the stock market, same difference. So anyway, we have somebody in there helping us big time, and it's called China. There's other great big buyers as well, but they're not going to let that thing go down much. And so just get your money together, and if you've got any money, I would be a buyer tomorrow morning, that's for sure. The dollar's up today. It's to be expected. They've got these auctions going on, and they have to make things look good. I have a question. I don't know whether you can get it or not, and my system is down, has been, and will be until tomorrow morning sometime. And so I'm not getting all the quotes. Can you get the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury?
It looks like it's, holy smokes, 3.56.
Yeah, you know why they did that? Now let me give you an idea. We keep track of this every day. The 10-year. Okay, let's go back 1, 2, 3, 4. Last week, 338, 333, 335, 339, 341, 346, 348 on the close on Friday. I don't know what it was early on this morning because I couldn't get anything. And you're calling it 3 what?
356.
Yeah. Now let me tell you why the yield went up. Because the bonds went down. And why did the bonds go down? Because our government made them go down. And the reason they made them go down is they wanted to have a higher yield on the paper. Now what they'll do, as soon as all of this is over with, you'll see this thing go sideways with the 10-year yield. And on Friday, all of a sudden, and Monday, the 10-year yield will be down again and the bonds will be up. And so all those banks and brokerage firms, the 21 dealers that the Fed has, they will buy part of these offerings. And as the interest rate goes back down again, the value of the bonds that they purchase goes up. And then they'll go retail them to their clients, insurance companies, pension plans, and make a big fat profit. They do it every month or every time. Sometimes they have 2 auctions a month. But every time they're out there offering bonds, that's what they do. And it's illegal. But they do it anyway. They do what they want to do. There is no constitution. There is no law. It is what they say it is. Simple as that. So now you know what's going on in the market.
Good. Thank you.
I was waiting for you to come back. I thought maybe you expired on me.
No, not yet. I'm too young.
Well, you're right about that. So, Golden Diva and Golden Mac Daddy, this is a question about 2 stocks. what are you expecting from Agnico Eagle and Goldcorp for their earnings? I don't know yet. I haven't looked into deeply enough to know. But I don't think it's important because what's driving the market in gold is, and in the shares themselves, is not earnings. This is only in gold shares. What's driving the market is a flight to quality, because nobody understands that in real inflation right this minute is somewhere in the vicinity of 6.11%. That's real, based upon 1980 figures, and or a formula, I should say. And